Welcome to Bold Patents, Colorado Springs. Hi everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at the law firm. And I'm excited to share this page, and I'm glad you made it to this video. I'm talking about my top 5 resources right here in Colorado Springs that you must check out. If you're new on the scene, you're starting a new business, you're inventing a new product, you're the technical founder, this is the awesome time for you to go check out these resources that are local to you right here in Colorado Springs. So I'm going to go through these in just a bit. Before I do, I want to make mention that you please do check out our resources on this page, book a free discovery call, ask some of these tough questions about pricing, process, how to protect your inventions, your trademarks, even copyrights and trade secrets. Get some information, get informed and knowledgeable about what it is you're venturing into before you go public. All right, let's do this. Colorado Springs, my top #1 resource for you is on the Catalyst campus. The Catalyst campus, it's the Catalyst Accelerator. It's a 3-month tech accelerator. They have a dual use. So it's the tech startups and workspace all together in one with investor connections right there. So this is like everything you need as the startup to get launched with funding, find other mentors, find other people that you could bring onto your team. So check out Catalyst Accelerator. One quick note about accelerators and incubators is sometimes they do require public launch, meaning you can no longer keep what you're working on confidential. And so before you get started or even apply to these accelerators, I encourage you to schedule some time with a patent attorney. Of course, I'm biased, have you check out Bold Patents and see if this is the time, the right type of technology for you to protect, and if a patent, whether it's a design or utility, is right for you. So just check that box before you go down the path of applying for and launching into one of these accelerators. So that was Catalyst. Defense Unicorns is the company that just got launched out of there a year or two ago. They do open source development for national security organizations. Pretty cool stuff. So that was Defense Unicorns. #2 on the top 5 entrepreneurial places right here in Colorado Springs is Exponential Impact. It's also called the XI Accelerator. It's a statewide program, so really not specific to the city, but they focus on cybersecurity, AI, blockchain, and IoT devices and systems. So if you've got an invention in that space, this is really one you should check out. They offer cohorts, meaning groups of fellow potential business owners working together, right? In different, of course, businesses, but you can kind of see and learn from what other business owners are doing as they're moving their technology forward. A notable startup that came out of XI is Quantum Metric. It's Colorado Springs' first unicorn. So Quantum Metric launched through VC, and now they're nationwide. All right, #3 is EPIIC Venture Attractor. This is with 2 I's, EPIIC. It's a university-based initiative at UCCS. It attracts, accelerates early stage of sports and outdoors innovation. Tons of stuff here in Colorado for skiing, outdoor, hiking, you name it. A big company that launched out of EPIIC Venture is Salt Athletic. You might have heard of Salt. They developed a premium smart athletic gear, and they've raised $500,000 coming out of the attractor. Okay, so check it out. #4 is the SCORE Colorado Springs. That's all in caps, SCORE. SCORE's been around for a long time. They help inventors, they help small business owners, as well as those that have been in business a while that are looking for funding now. Peer groups, mentorship, lots of great opportunities, and it's free. FREE free. So don't miss that. Check out SCORE Colorado Springs. All right, #5, last one here is the Rocky Mountain Innovation Partners. The Rocky Mountain Innovation Partners, they help, they put together an accelerator. They have a go-to-market support and strategic partnership. So it's a private group that they come together and support unique startups that they feel are a good fit and help you through the process. Again, it's an application process. It's who you know. And before you go meet with these individuals, it'd be wise to make sure you protect your intellectual property, make sure you have a nice foundation before launching into a full accelerator where you're going to be getting funding, investor capital. You want to have a solid foundation before you get started. Duality Systems. Duality Systems is an AI and quantum tech firm that just got launched out of Rocky Mountain IP Partners. All right, everybody. Well, that's all I've got for my top 5 here in Colorado Springs. Wishing you an awesome day today. Please, again, if you don't have anywhere to go, you wonder what that first step is going to be, book your free discovery call with us today. Go big, go bold.